So I found a nice handful of entry-level remote jobs for you today, and the nice thing is they're not all customer service. So if you're not sure what kind of work you want to do, watch this video because one of these jobs surely has your name on it. So we're going to jump right into them, starting with ZocDoc. So ZocDoc is looking for a provider experience specialist, and this one is customer service, but it's a pretty easy kind of position. And I'm just scrolling down to see how much this one pays, which is between $19.64 and $26.92 per hour. So in this position, you'll play a vital role in fostering authentic connections, inspiring engagement, and ensuring that healthcare providers can easily access the benefits of ZocDoc's platform. And you'll do that through calls, emails, and chat. So reading through that, it sounds like you're not going to be dealing with the everyday kind of customer. You're going to be dealing with healthcare providers. So they're looking for someone who is super positive and empathetic. You're a team player, you're passionate about bringing solutions to providers, and you're excited to learn new techniques and systems. On a daily basis, you'll utilize phone, email, and chat to provide best-in-class customer service experience to the healthcare provider partners. You'll seek opportunities to make using ZocDoc easy for providers, act as the voice of ZocDoc, and develop a deep understanding of the company's platform and services. And you'll maintain accurate records of all interactions. So in addition to these things I spoke of earlier, they want you to have excellent communication and interpersonal skills, both in verbal and written form. They also want you to have a little bit of customer service experience, preferably in a healthcare or technology-related field. And they don't tell us how much customer service experience they want you to have, but if you've ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies. So if you were a cashier at the supermarket, maybe you worked in retail, that qualifies. You need strong problem-solving, organizational, and attention to detail skills, and you're dedicated to delivering best-in-class customer service and promoting ZocDoc's mission. So they offer a nice suite of benefits with this job, and remember, they'll pay between $19.64 and $26.92 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link in the description below this video. Just look for job number 1. Okay, so the second entry-level remote job I have is a marketing position. This one comes to us from Rocket Money. They're looking for a growth marketing associate, and I'm just going to scroll on down here to see how much this one pays, which is between $60,000 and $80,000 per year plus bonus. And that comes to between $28.84 and $38.46 per hour. So in this role, you'll support and own the day-to-day optimizations and operations of user acquisition through multiple paid channels such as Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Google UAC, and ad networks. You'll analyze those channels' performance down to the most granular levels, possibly to shape a story and make recommendations. You'll also utilize deep channel learnings to suggest optimization opportunities, work cross-functionally with the company's in-house creative team and creative agencies. You'll take the initiative in supporting new channels as the company further diversifies its marketing mix, collaboratively build and execute a channel strategy, and take part in a strong culture of rapid experimentation, measurement, and iteration on the marketing team. So they're really not asking for a whole lot of marketing-related experience in this position, but they would like you to have at least 1 year of professional experience in digital marketing. They'd also like you to have hands-on experience building ads and running campaigns across multiple UIs and optimizing towards ROAs. And they tell us Facebook Ads Manager experience is required. They'd like you to have excellent communication skills as well as advanced Excel skills, and it's a bonus if you're proficient with SQL. You're a self-starter and you have no problem giving and receiving feedback. You can prioritize your time and you're able to analyze large data sets and craft results. So if you want to get a start in marketing, this might be a really good opportunity for you. This one pays between $60,000 and $80,000 per year plus bonus. If you like this one, you can find the link below, job number 2. The third position I have is with the company VetCove. They're looking for an operations associate, and this is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And as I read through this job lead, it looks like you're going to be doing a whole lot of data entry in this position. And I'm just going to look to see how much this one pays, and they don't tell us, but based on my experience, I'm willing to bet you can earn anywhere from about $18, maybe up to $20 per hour for this job. So in this role, you'll be responsible for managing many of the day-to-day operational components of an exciting new platform. And that platform is the VetCove platform, and they work with veterinary hospitals so they can manage how they get their supplies. So your responsibilities include catalog maintenance, working with large data sets, managing the pricing systems, conducting pricing analysis, and optimizing website interfaces to provide clients with the best experience possible. So what are you going to do in this position? Like I just said, you're going to manage, organize, and optimize large sets of vendor data. You'll do the data entry of pricing updates and new product uploads within the system, work with data sets to conduct pricing and compliance audits. You'll also monitor compliance with contractual commitments across vendor relationships, maintain and optimize catalog, UI, and company websites, and various ad hoc operational and financial analysis. So all they need is 0 to 2 years of relevant operations-focused experience. So if you don't have any experience in this kind of work, don't worry about it. However, you do need excellent written and verbal communication skills, and you have strong attention to detail and project management skills. You have an interest in data, and you're a problem solver, and you're able to adapt quickly and manage many concurrent responsibilities. You need to be really comfortable utilizing Excel, you have a positive attitude, you're a team player, and you're comfortable in a fast-paced environment. So this is job number 3. If you like this one, you can find the direct link in the description below this video. Just look for job number 3. I have 3 more jobs for you, but before I get into them, I want to quickly remind you to please consider subscribing to this channel and hit that notification bell, and make sure to turn on all notifications. That way you'll get all my job leads when I post them. And that brings us to our 4th entry-level remote job, and this one too is with VetCove. They're looking for a chat support associate, and this is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And even though this is a chat support position, you will be assisting customers via chat, phone calls, emails, internal discussion boards, as well as platform demos. So your main responsibility will be to engage with veterinary professionals and support them in their critical purchasing decisions and processes through the use of the VetCove platform. You'll support existing VetCove users by responding to their inquiries via live chat, email, and phone in a timely manner, troubleshoot issues quickly, and explain scenarios and solutions. You'll also handle various daily and weekly admin responsibilities such as account management, item issue reports, item reviews, credit approvals, and more. You'll work cross-functionally to provide the engineering partner and corporate teams with information on feature requests and recommendations, work with vendor and industry partners to streamline communication and alerts between systems, and help to continuously develop and expand processes. So all they want is 1 year of relevant customer-facing work experience, and you have excellent written and verbal communication skills. They prefer you have experience in chat support, and that's just preferred, that's not required. Of course, you need to be patient and compassionate. You're able to adapt quickly. You have a strong desire to learn and help customers succeed. You also have a positive attitude, and it's a plus you have tech startup work experience. And they tell us they'd like you to have a 2-year associate's degree or a 4-year college degree. So if you like this one, you can find the link below. This is job number 4. All right, so next up we have a position with the company Clinical Mind. They're looking for an accounts payable analyst, and this is a full-time remote position. And I'm just going to scroll on down here to see how much this one pays, and I don't see it anywhere, so I had to do a little bit of research. And it looks like accounts payable positions that are more entry-level in nature pay anywhere from $17 to $22, $23 per hour. But there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you'll make. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So in this role, you'll be responsible for owning the accounts payable cycle and assisting with other areas such as project sales order setups and helping with project final reconciliations. You'll do all the typical AP functions such as performing the day-to-day AP financial transactions, and that includes verifying, classifying, and recording all accounts payable. You'll route invoices for proper approval and verification and properly code invoices for their corresponding general ledger account. You'll also process employee expense reports, enter subcontractor invoices, and process weekly check runs, as well as process monthly credit card statements and respond to and resolve inquiries from employees and vendors. You'll also manage vendors' W-9 documentation and help in the 1099 processing. You'll also do some month-end functions that includes reconciling the accounts payable subledger, helping with the monthly closings, doing some bank reconciliations, updating AP in the cash flow report for vendor disbursements, and assisting in compiling vendor-related information for tax audits and inquiries. And you might do other functions such as process sales orders and project requests into the NetSuite system, add employee information to NetSuite, and reconcile pending items. And you might also assist the controllership and CFO with ad hoc tasks as needed. So they're looking for someone who's proficient in Microsoft Excel. It's helpful you have a functional knowledge of NetSuite as it relates to accounts payable and payment processing modules, or you're willing to learn quickly. You're comfortable handling large volume of accounts payable transactions. You have good written and verbal communication skills. You're willing to learn and be involved in month-end close and reporting functions. And you're very responsive to inquiries from stakeholders, be it employees or vendors. So if you want to get started in accounts payable, this job might be a great opportunity for you. And remember, this has the potential to pay anywhere from $17 to $23 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link in the description below. This is job number 5. Alrighty, so the last job I have is with Gold Belt. They're looking for an administrative specialist. And even though they list the location of Aberdeen, Maryland, I reached out to them and they're encouraging anyone from anywhere to apply for this job. So this is a full-time remote position, and I'm just going to scroll on down to see how much this one pays, which is $24.13 per hour. So, as an administrative specialist, you'll play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of the company's administrative process. You'll be responsible for a variety of tasks, including data entry, document management, and providing general administrative support to the team. So that means you'll create, customize, prepare, and maintain presentations, briefing charts, and documents, review and modify correspondence, and maintain and update the calendar of the Government Office Manager. You'll also coordinate and support meetings and special events for the organization to include coordinating all amenities, accommodations, visit requests, and collection of funds. You'll schedule the accommodations for all those meetings and obtain and deliver any kind of materials needed for those meetings. You'll prepare travel orders, maintain conference room reservation schedules, and enter data and maintain office databases. You'll also manage and maintain office files and collect, review, and archive forms. So this is your typical administrative kind of position. There are a whole lot of office-related duties here. They're looking for someone who has a knowledge and experience using Microsoft Office Suite, specifically PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. You're able to communicate orally and in writing, and you must be able to speak, read, write, and understand English. So all they want is a high school diploma and 1 year of general office experience. Relevant college courses or training may be substituted for experience. They'd like you to have experience operating standard office equipment such as telephones, copy machines, those sort of things. And this is really important. You must be a U.S. citizen and you're able to obtain and maintain secret clearance. So don't forget, this job pays $24.13 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the link below. This is job number 6. So if none of these jobs work out for you, check out this video right here. Maybe one of these jobs will work. Good luck to all of you who apply. And as always, thank you so much for popping in, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.